Hi guys, I'm dying to show you my love of summer strawberries, and today it's Strawberry Frappé. You are going to love this. I'm Kat from Fulvio and welcome to Ballyknocken Cookery School. This is such an easy recipe. Everything I have in front of me, you'll have at home, no problem. Strawberries, sugar, water, some cream, milk, more strawberries, a little bit of vanilla, and in the freezer, I have ice cream. The first job I need to do is chop up some strawberries. So let's start with these. And we're going to cook these. So I want to make a strawberry syrup. You probably wonder what I'm doing chopping these up. Very simple. A little bit of sugar, a little bit of water, some nice strawberries. And this syrup is very versatile. You can put it over ice cream in general. You can put it over desserts, drizzle on cakes. It's a lovely little recipe to know how to do. You'd be amazed at how easy it is. So let's get our hob on. And we'll go with the water first. Just a little bit of water, that's all. And some sugar. If we need more water, we can put it in later. We don't want this to be too liquidy. We are looking for a syrup. Okay. And we can get our strawberries in. Now, let's grab a spoon. Give this a nice stir. And what you want to do is you want to cook down the strawberries so that the colour leaks out, and of course all that beautiful flavour as well. So first of all we get the sugar melted and then we turn it down to a lower heat. Oh my goodness, the smell is gorgeous. So I'm doing a very simple version today, but you can make this as fancy as you want. You can put in a lovely bit of mint in here, so you've got strawberry and mint, or a pinch of cinnamon, because strawberry and cinnamon is a marriage made in heaven. So you have lots of options with this lovely recipe. So we just leave that to simmer now for a few minutes. Wait for the colour to pick up, and then all we'll do is we'll whiz it in the food processor and then sieve it, and we have strawberry syrup. So now this colour has changed beautifully. Look at it, it is such a lovely kind of pale pink red shade. We can turn the heat off now. And you can put it, if you have a large quantity, you can go into your big blender. If not, just use a hand blender. Or you can mash it with a fork and then run it through a sieve. So I don't want you thinking you have to buy any special equipment for this. So in we go with our blender. That looks gorgeous. So now all we need to do is sieve it. This smells gorgeous, I have to say, and the colour is beautiful. Now I did say earlier about using this for all sorts of milkshakes and various things and serving with dessert, but it's fabulous in cocktails as well. I knew you'd like that. So just give this a little stir. So we're just sieving it just to make sure we've got a fine syrup, and then this needs to cool, of course, because we're mixing it with ice cream. And then when it's cooled, we can go ahead and make our strawberry frappé. So I think that's as much as I'm going to get out of it. Just strain it off. So this is our lovely strawberry syrup. What we do is we let this cool, then put it in the fridge to make sure it's ultra cool, and then we get on with making the strawberry frappé. So now I'm going to whip some cream. Little bit of elbow grease here. Got to earn the strawberry frappé. So I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla now to my cream, just to get that extra flavour, because vanilla and strawberry work so well together. And there's our cream, ready. Whipped to a good strong peak in this case. You can put that aside. Now it's time to get everything together and build our frappé. So to bring everything together, we just get our cream into a piping bag here. This is going to be gorgeous. Now you could sweeten the cream if you wanted to with a little bit of icing sugar or powdered sugar, and you could add in some lemon zest, which is really nice, or orange zest, which works really well also with strawberries. We really are celebrating strawberries properly today. Let me get the strawberry syrup from the fridge. Okay, we're on the home stretch now. We have our blender. So all we need for the blender is strawberries. They can go in whole. The blender's going to do the work. Milk. Ice cream. In that goes. It's going to be so lovely. This is a real treat. And I think it's so nice to celebrate strawberries. Not just simply with cream, but to make a big deal of them and to come up with these lovely recipes. And this is something that's very family friendly. The kids will love it. And they're getting to have their strawberries. So everybody's happy. So off we go. Let's blend. There we go. Let's have a look. Looks gorgeous. Right, time to build our frappe. So here we have our glasses. You can use Slim Jims. You can use any glass you want. Here's the strawberry syrup that I had in the fridge. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this at the base. And then we'll go with our lovely frappe. Look at that. Carefully does it. Gorgeous. Okay. Then cream. Like it's not indulgent enough. Let's get our cream down here into the piping nozzle and let's pipe a nice bit of cream around it. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Then we have more strawberries for the top. A little bit of strawberry syrup. Let's just drizzle some strawberry syrup over the top. Carefully does it. Oh, fabulous. This doesn't hang around. This needs to be eaten quickly. At least that's my tip. Get a little strawberry on the side of the glass like that. And another little strawberry on the side of this glass. Like this. And then we have our beautiful straws to go in to get in the mood. And that there are your strawberry frappes. Happy summer, everybody. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers and I'll be giving away a free access pass to my barbecue hot and smoky online cookery course to one lucky subscriber once we hit that 1,000. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be notified about all my upcoming recipe videos.